Hey guys, what's up? So I am going to be showing you Avast. They have a very good driver updater that I have used in the past while working at a computer repair shop. It is okay, so it is free. So as we can see, one Windows PC, $43.99 a year, or you can try the app for free. Now, I mean, if you have a computer, it's acting funny, your PC, a lot of hardware, um, and if you just want the initial, just what do I need, just right now, you can install this and you can use the driver updater here, and I'm going to close that. And I believe I don't kind of remember, but you are probably restricted on some aspect of this driver updater program. So you're just gonna install it. It's gonna install, then we'll open it up and we'll check it'll check all the drivers, and then we can check the drivers that we want to have installed, and instead of kind of going into device manager, instead of going in to device manager and looking through everything. So it looks on other devices, base system device, that looks like the caution sign. So that driver looks like it needs to be updated. And sometimes, right-clicking update driver and then search automatically for updated driver software. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It just pulls the drivers from the internet. Or if you have the driver, okay, so then you can search for it on the Windows update. And it should say here, optional updates. Or or if you do have a update that you downloaded on the computer, then you could browse your computer for the driver. So I am just going to let this download, and you are free to skip ahead, but I'm just going to keep the video running. So here it is. So we can just scan drivers, and I do not know how long the free version lasts. So it looks like I have two outdated drivers. We have a VBox, VirtualBox, I don't know, CD-ROM, and then we have a Intel one. These look kind of old too. And then all of these are the ones that are already updated, so you can just click Update All. Yep, that's fine. So then it'll be updating, and we might need to restart the computer for those driver updates to get it to work. So it looks like one's updated so far, and it looks like the second one is downloading, unpacking, finalizing. Should be done real soon. And if I was on my host machine, then and I did this, then I should, but there'd be a ton of, probably a lot more than just two outdated drivers. So now that we're all updated, we can just click done, and we can just see an overview, or scan again, but well, I guess I'm recommending this to YouTube by making a video, but this is just one driver updater that I've used that has worked really well, except that I think maybe you only get a trial of it. So if you just that one time, once, whenever use it, then use it. Uh, you could uninstall it and then reinstall it and then do it again, but you really don't need to be making sure all your drivers are updated every day or every so often. But most of them would come through the Windows update anyways. Thanks for watching.